Welcome to a new era of smart hotel asset management. EMS Work Order is a revolutionary application designed specifically for hotel engineering teams to manage and maintain all hotel assets in a more efficient, organized, and modern way. With advanced technology and a user-friendly interface, EMS transforms engineering operations from complicated manual processes into a practical, powerful, and fully digital system. Page 1. Login and Authentication. The first screen you see is a simple yet secure login page. Here, the engineering team signs in using credentials provided by the hotel administrator. Why is this important? Every hotel has different assets and requires secure data protection. With a centralized login system, only authorized personnel can access important information about the condition of hotel assets. Page 2. Home, Work Order In. The home page is the main dashboard that displays all incoming work orders, all repair and maintenance requests sent to the engineering team. Think of it as an inbox that shows every task that needs to be handled. Key features include smooth scrolling with an auto-hidden header for better focus, advanced filters to search work orders by status, location, or keywords, a clean layout with before and after photos for completed jobs, and notes that display the full history of status changes. Impact for the hotel. With this system, no repair request is ever lost or forgotten. All requests are clearly recorded, traceable, and prioritized. The result is faster response time, higher guest satisfaction, and better maintained hotel assets. Page 3. Work Order Out Project. This page is used to manage work order out, work orders sent to other departments, or more complex maintenance projects. It also functions as a project management tool for major maintenance activities such as renovations. Benefits for the hotel. It provides complete documentation for audits and reports, more accurate material budget tracking, better coordination between teams, and a full maintenance history for future reference. Page 4. Create Work Order. This page allows anyone in the hotel, from front desk and housekeeping to management, to create a new work order quickly and easily. Simple process. Users enter basic information by selecting the location, writing a problem description, choosing the priority level, and selecting the target department. Visual documentation can be added by taking a photo or selecting one from the gallery. The photo is automatically attached to the work order. With one tap on the Submit button, the work order is sent directly into the system. Page 5. Maintenance. The maintenance page is the core of the hotel's preventive maintenance system. Here, all routine maintenance schedules are organized and managed in a structured way using a queue or code system. The maintenance task list shows all required maintenance jobs, their status, pending, in progress, completed, and scheduled dates and deadlines. The system also provides complete maintenance history, including photo documentation, material records, and working time for efficiency analysis. Each maintenance program can be broken down into smaller job tasks, with checklists to ensure nothing is missed, and progress tracking for every step. Page 6. Utility. The utility page is the nerve center for real-time monitoring of all hotel utility systems. This advanced feature allows the engineering team to monitor the condition of critical hotel systems: HVAC, air handling units, temperature and air pressure monitoring, chillers, chilled water temperature monitoring, freezers and refrigeration, temperature monitoring for food safety, fuel systems, generator usage tracking, gas systems, gas pressure monitoring and safety tracking, heat pumps, heating system monitoring and efficiency tracking, and many more systems, including power meters, electricity, water supply, water tanks, and others. Start your hotel's digital transformation today. EMS Work Order, where engineering meets excellence. Designed with passion for hotel engineering teams, who are dedicated to protecting quality, performance, and guest comfort every day. Thank you for your time. For more information, please contact +62 811 233 5899.